welcome back. And today we're going to be making tiki drinks part 2, all around coconut. So first you're going to need is coconut, and I'm using coconut milk and I made my own syrup with it. So it's 1 part coconut to 1.5 parts sugar and blended till combined. So we're going to start with the Piña Colada. So what you're going to need is 1.5 ounces of your coconut syrup, 2.5 ounces of pineapple juice, 1/2 ounce of lime juice, and your rum. Normally calling for light rum, I enjoy darker rums, just makes it a little bit richer. Totally up to you. The darker rum is just going to be a little more rich, a little more of a mouthfeel to it, a little less briny, a little less herbaceous if you would. If you used white rum, you might get a little bit more of that floral notes from rum. The rum agricole, not that extreme, but along those lines. So into a shaker, add all of that together, add your ice, and we're going to shake this, and we're going to place this into a cup. And this is crushed ice, so you're first going to add in your cocktail, then add in your crushed ice. If you do it the opposite way, you will have overflow, and it will be Piña Colada all over your cutting board. So in goes your cocktail, followed by your crushed ice, and I like that a lot. I like it to kind of almost overflow outside of the cup. And then we're going to garnish this with a triangle of pineapple as well as a pineapple frond, and that is it. Super easy. You don't need a mixer, you don't need a blender. You have a Piña Colada that you can enjoy any time of the year. So this next drink is one of my favorites. I think it was my first tiki drink I ever had before a Piña Colada, and this is a painkiller. So 1 ounce of orange juice to 1 ounce of your coconut cream, so your coconut syrup, 4 ounces of pineapple juice, so quite a bit. Believe me, it's worth it. And then again, you can use dark rum or light rum, or you can do a mix of dark and light. Totally up to you. I'm using dark rum. I've done it with white and dark, and it's a little cool. Make sure you have your assistant to pass you a thing just in case you spill anything on your cutting board and look unprofessional. So 2 ounces of the rum of your choice. And again, we're going to shake this cocktail. We're going to do it relatively hard so we can get all of that coconut cream mixed into the cocktail. And we're going to do this one into a rocks glass, which is regular ice. You can do crushed ice if you'd like. You're also going to need a little bit of nutmeg, and I like to put lime zest to finish mine. Totally optional, you do not have to do it either. So go ahead and shake that, and then into your pre-iced cup goes the drink. And we're going to garnish this with a 1/2 moon of a pineapple and a pineapple frond. And then we're going to grate over the top fresh nutmeg. If you have powdered nutmeg, that's totally okay. A little bit of fresh nutmeg. And then I like to finish it as well with a little bit of lime zest, just to add a bit of a greener note. And finally, this is just a little custom cocktail, a little bit of fun. Mezcal, so 1 ounce of lime juice. It's just something we came up with. We thought it'd be cool. We're gonna add in our pineapple juice, 2 ounces of pineapple juice, and then our coconut cream. I did 1 ounce and I went back and added another, so 2 ounces of coconut cream. We're gonna kind of play a little bit almost on the side of a jungle bird, so we're gonna add in a 1/2 ounce of Campari, and then I'm gonna add Xila, which is a Mexican liqueur made from agaves and chiles. It's a little spicy. There's a lot of cinnamon and lavender in there. We're gonna add in a 1/4 ounce of that. If you don't have this, a couple dashes of bitters with a little bit of habanero in them will do the work, or do the trick as well, or a little bit of cinnamon syrup, and then 2 ounces of mezcal of your choice. This is Bruxo. It's relatively big in terms of mezcals. It's pretty petrol-y in flavor. It's got a lot of texture. It's pretty viscous. You can definitely do this with something a little leaner, but it's also pretty hot. I think it's 47% alcohol per volume, so it's got a kick to it. So it can stand up to all those tropical notes. And then just over ice. Now this one, if you don't like smoke, don't drink it. It is quite smoky. And we're gonna do 2 triangles of pineapple overlapping like a deck of cards as the garnish. And that's it. 2 classic tiki drinks, and then just a little bit of a playing around with some mezcal. Super easy, really refreshing. Crowd pleasers, doesn't matter. They're always great. Who doesn't like painkillers and pina coladas? They're just lying to you. And if you enjoyed the video, please go ahead and give it a like and subscribe, and we will see you next time.